Hello children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in geography, chapter 2, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. This is the video 1. The first topic which we are going to learn is about land. 90% of the world population occupies only 30% of the land area. The remaining 70% of the land is either sparsely populated or uninhabited. Land is among the most important natural resources. It covers only about 30% of the total area of the Earth's surface, and all parts of this small percentage are not habitable. The uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is mainly due to varied characteristics of land and climate. The rugged topography, steep slopes of the mountains, low-lying areas susceptible to water logging, desert areas, thick forested areas are normally populated or inhabited. Plains and river valleys offer suitable land for agriculture. Hence, these are the densely populated areas of the world. Now, the next one, we are going to learn about land use. What is the term land use mean? Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads and setting up of industries. This is called as termed as land use. The use of land is determined by physical factors such as topography, soil, climate, minerals, and availability of water. Human factors such as population and technology are also important determinants of the land use pattern. Land also can be classified into or divided into on the basis of private land and community land. First, we are going to learn about what is private land. Private land is owned by individuals, whereas community land is owned by the community for common uses like collection of food, fruits, nuts, or medicinal herbs. These community lands are also called common property resources. Next, we are going to learn about the land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, are the major threats to the environment because of the expansion of agriculture and constructional activities. Next one, we are going to see about land conservation. How we have to conserve our land. Growing population and the ever-growing demand has led to a large-scale destruction of forest cover and arable land and has created a fear of losing this natural resource. Therefore, the present rate of degradation of land resources must be checked. Afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticide and fertilizers, and checks on overgrazing are some of the common methods used to conserve land. The next topic is we are going to learn about landslide. Landslides are simply defined as the mass movement of rock, debris, or earth down a slope. They often take place in conjunction with earthquakes, floods, and volcanoes. A prolonged spell of rainfall can cause heavy landslide that can block the flow of river for quite some time. The formation of river blocks can cause havoc to the settlements downstream on its bursting. In the hilly terrain, landslides have been a major and widely spread natural disaster that often strike life and property and occupy a position of major concern. A massive landslide hit Pangi village near Rekhongpyo in Kinnoor district of Himachal Pradesh and damaged a 200-meter stretch of old Hindustan-Tibet road, National Highway 22. Advancement in scientific techniques has empowered us to understand what factors cause landslides and how to manage them. Some broad mitigation techniques of landslides are hazard mapping, construction of retention wall, increase in the vegetation cover is an effective way to arrest landslide, and the surface drainage control works are implemented to control the movement of landslide along with the rainwater and spring flows. The questions for this session. First question, the remaining dash of the land is either sparsely populated. Second, why there is an uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world. Third, define the term land use. Fourth, explain the divisions of land. Fifth, what are the steps taken to avoid landslides? The remaining topics of this lesson will be continued in video 2.